Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Stock number X1003X. 28,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Traverse brand new, Siren red in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving away 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Traverse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seat 7, cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row buckets will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Ample cargo space behind the third row, 60/40 seats, fold flat, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning and heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Big transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter V6, 281 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon and a city average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.